The AJAX Fire Protect control panel is designed for reliable, connected fire protection. It's EN certified and supports up to 200 wireless devices across 40 fire zones. A 10.1-inch touchscreen makes control and monitoring simple, while Ethernet, Wi-Fi and dual SIM keep communication stable. The dual radio protocol ensures a strong connection with up to 2 kilometers of range, and the built-in battery keeps it running for up to 72 hours. With remote setup, photo verification and clear visual alerts, the Fire Protect system brings professional safety made simple.